Hello! Today you might notice that I'm in a different area than my room. That's because today I'm going to be cooking ramen because I have nothing else to do. So anyways, I'm going to show you how you can cook ramen, but how you can cook it to be perfection.
So first you gotta get a heckin' pot and fill it up with water because how else are you gonna cook? Then you put it on the thing like that. Then you gotta turn this on, put it on high because we gotta get the water boiling. It doesn't, okay. And while we're waiting for the water to boil, we'll go do something else. Oh snap, that's sizzling. Now, you might have noticed that I'm outside now. Well, that's because I'm waiting for the water to boil. So I decided to come outside and do something fun. Now, I've decided that I'm going to lay down in the grass and die while I wait for my ramen noodles to boil. Well, not the noodles, the water, you know. So I'm just gonna go lay on the grass for a bit. Well, I think it's time to go check on the water. Yeah, note to self, never ever do that again, because now I got these green things all over me and on my pants. I'm never hecking doing that ever again. Yes, just what I wanted, the water to be boiling. Now you just open up your ramen. Like that. And you put it in there. Wait, I think I should have added a bit more water than that. And you cannot forget the beef flavoring, because that's pretty much what makes it taste good, because if you don't have that, you don't have anything. I didn't film that because I didn't care enough. The heat from the thing is making it really hot, so I'm just going to be digging without the green shirt for today. So he's just going to be heckin' wearing a white shirt for today. While I wait for the noodles to become noodly, I'm going... Never mind. Okay, I got a DS charger. Now we're going to play some Mario Party DS, because I like Mario Party DS. Ah! I hate that stupid name. Oh, it's my... I'm in last place? I don't remember this happening last night. I'm not landing in a Bowser's base. Crap, no, wait. Oh, frick. It's Bowser time. Ew, Daisy. Ew, die, please. I don't like you. Ew. That is not good. You can't, no. Waluigi. Yeah, there's one near Daisy. I hope she gets the evil jar. I hate that thing. And by thing, I mean Daisy, because she's a creature and I hate her. Never mind, she goes, nah, unless she gets a 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crap! No, you can't. What? Oh, this Diggin wig is giving me a heat stroke. Oh, no, I wanted double vision. Ugh, I hate this minigame so much. I don't want to play this. I'd rather play double vision. I forgot how you play this game because I don't like it. Come on, Waluigi, shoot it. Go. Boom. No, idiots. No, stupid. This is why I don't like this game. It's dumb, and I don't like it. No. Freak! No! We're done with that. Now the ramen is all noodly. Because I like spicy food, I like to add hot taco seasoning. I'm very enthusiastic about this video. That's some real spicy ramen. And that is how you cook epically spicy ramen. I don't know what I did, but now my finger hurts. Ow. Now we're gonna epically eat this ramen because I'm hungry. Tastes like ramen. I get to take this wig off because it's itchy. That is much, much better.